tutorial. Welcome new dads as well. I see that we're almost at 200k and I want to reach 200k before the end of 2018. So I know we can do it, y'all. It is my drugstore look, y'all, and this wig is on point. I love this lace. Tutorial. I have a tutorial for you all. So this is a drugstore tutorial and affordable brushes that I use that you enjoyed. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, guys, we are back. Our motherfucking back. So if you want to make sure your brows are clean, this is a drugstore slay, the world's best palette. I'm going to reveal to you all because it's so creamy. When I found it at Ulta, I was like, oh, for this price and it's this good, and the colors look so bomb. You want to make sure your brows are clean, y'all. I went ahead and plucked them a little bit. I don't know, every time I pluck them they just go back even faster. So now they plucked, I probably didn't pluck all the hairs at this point. I really don't give a fuck now. And with some Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer. If you know anything that's close to drugstore like this, let me know. But you can totally get this for y'all samples. What I want to do is basically go with my eyebrow hair so they go up in the front, and where they go back, I'm just going to slick them back. BH Cosmetics, y'all, sent me a goodie box. Thank you so much. I am on the BH Cosmetics team now. So we are going to be playing with some affordable brushes. Affordable? Kiss Professional, you can either use Kiss Professional or Colourpop. Colourpop is really good, but it's more creamy and this is more stiffer. So I'm going to go with Kiss Professional. Concealers, I'm going to take Makeup Revolution concealer, and I want to take C12 at the bottom, and then I'm going to take C11. They have BH Cosmetics have brushes. You can use this for the brows, but let me tell you something. My brows have to be popping. So I'm going to prime my lids with a Plouise Base in Rumor number 5. Now this base is affordable. Send me these brushes. They sent me more too. 3 blending brushes I'm going to work with. So this is real fluffy. This is medium size, and this is small. Palette that we're going to go in today is this one. Oh, the colors are so creamy, y'all. Like, oh my god. Like, look at this. Going in with the number 8 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to basically just tap that, and we're going to make sure our eyeshadow is blended first before we apply it, because I don't want it to stain. And we're going to pat. Oh my god. Like I'm using my favorites today, y'all. I'm using my favorites. Oh, I love this palette. This is number 7 from this line, this colorful line. I don't know the line. Royal Affair brushes, darkest shade. Well, this is the darkest shade, but I don't want it to be that dark. I want it to be like warm. So we're gonna go in with this one right here. These are doing so good. Oh my goodness. Look how cream. Oh. the last shade, and I'm going to go in with the brush number 0. Go in with this last one, which is this one. So pretty. Look at that. It looks like a cut already. Look at that. Ain't even a cut. Okay, so we're going to go in with this one. How it's not that many shimmers in the palette. It's just enough. And these brushes are doing amazing. Okay. BH. The brush number 6, and we're going back into that burgundy shade, and then we're just going to blend those shadows out. I mean, blend it upward. I'm picking a little bit up at a time, and I'm just fading it up. Okay, shadow popping, eyeshadow popping, eyeshadow popping. And with this nude right here, that honey nudish color. And we did have a flat brush. So glad I saved it. Okay, so this is the brush number 7, y'all. Went for this palette, and I was like, when it got to the lid shade. But I mean, I love the color. It's just like it's crumbly. It's crumbly, and I don't like crumbly. Make sure you apply a good primer. I went ahead and applied both of those offline in my lashes. So these are for my lash line, coming soon. So I'm going to take, I haven't used one of these brushes in a long time. So I'm going to take this foundation brush, y'all. This is the shade number 3. I mean the shade, god damn it. This is the brush number 3, and then I'm going to take my Superstay foundation, my favorite, in 360 Mocha. Yes. I want to say Colourpop concealer. This is Colourpop concealer. has like everything, like bitch, it just has you and creates a new you. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you loved it, and also know that you can slay without using high-end products and using high quality brushes. So yes, y'all, don't forget to share this video, comment down below what you think, and until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.